you look at the virus spread from a new confirmed cases perspective, the turning point or the inflection point of the virus spread, seems to have passed and behind us. So, but what happened right now is that the leader had to gauge, the cost of continue to put everything on hold versus, continue to keep the situation stable. So basically, back of the envelope calculation is that, every day of the factory pause would cost the Chinese economy about, 1 out of the 300 GDP. So every day is about 0.2% GDP.
Okay, so that's the view in terms of the GDP, the economic toll side of things. But what do you advise clients in terms of seeking out investment opportunities or perhaps at least hedging their risk?
Yeah, well, I think right now the market is still at a technical rebound mode. Basically, the market is assuming that, the virus spread was soon behind us. And then, with stimulus and physical help from the government, things will get back on track. So I think even though, we probably lost, 14 days out of the month of February in first quarter, but, the market is assuming that we can make it all up in the remaining of the year, which I think is a big assumption, because, some of the smaller businesses are still finding it very difficult to cope, because of the working capital shortage and then also because the related parties that they're dealing with are running into trouble as well. So, we've seen anecdotal evidence suggesting that SMEs are struggling, clearly struggling, and also the factories are not operating. They're probably operating at a 20 to 30% capacity, because workers across the city, they can't make their way back to the factory.
You're saying that small caps in the Chi-Next may benefit from inflows due to COVID-19. Why do you believe so? At the end of the day, at a time like this when risk is so heightened, wouldn't one want to place their bets with the high-quality blue chips, especially in the small caps and the mid-cap names?
Yeah.
You see a lot of lack of research, which just adds to the uncertainty.
Yes and no. I mean, if you look at the market performance last year, basically the blue chip large cap stocks performed very well, and also over the last 3 years, the smaller cap China export basically substantially underperformed the large cap space. So basically, there's a technical rebound here. And also, if you look at the related names or thematic investment opportunity during this virus spread, most of the healthcare names, most of the sort of semiconductor names, and other names that is related to online retail or remote access, they're all listed on Chi-Next or all in Shenzhen SME board. So what that means is that, if you want to invest during this time of the year based on thematic investment ideas, because of the virus, you have to look into SME and also Chi-Next board.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.